What is up, everybody? My name's Alejandro, and welcome back to my channel for another video. We're going to be going to New Zealand in this video, and I'm super excited. Going with my family and very excited. Right now, I'm in LA for a long layover, so I'm walking to Santa Monica, and we're going to see what we get into. But yeah, very excited. I'm going to Milford Sound. All Queenstown, New Zealand. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's either Queenstown or Queenstown. I'm not sure if I'm just like blabbering and really messing up the the name of the town that we're staying in. But so I'm gonna run around Santa Monica, see what I can get into, and yeah, welcome to another video. Super excited. Made it to Santa Monica Pier. Yeah, I don't really have a plan of what to do from here. I know I gotta run to Target and get a couple of things before I head back to the hotel and go back to the airport. But yeah, excited to be here. It's like really, it's just so nice. It's just like, I feel like even though I've been here before, it's like it's just great. I love being in this area. Like, it's just, it's iconic. It's an iconic area. I was passing by Bubba Gump's like back there, and this guy asked me to take a picture with the shoes. It was cute. He was funny. He took his shoes off so he could put his feet like behind like Forrest Gump's shoes. And yeah, I'm having a good old time. It's also so warm. It's been like really like cold up in the bay lately, so I'm happy to just feel the sun on me. So yeah, I'm gonna keep walking around, see where the day takes me.
Just like I want you, yeah, I want you the right way. I want you, and I want you to want me too.
Okay, I'm heading back up the pier to meet up with my aunt and uncle. But that guy, I was just sitting there at the end of the pier watching this guy play. His name's Hella Vibes. I'm gonna put his Instagram up here somewhere. But he was no pun intended. That was a vibe. That was really good. I love his shit. He has such a nice voice, really soothing. I gotta run to a Target, so I think we're either gonna meet up with my aunt and uncle, run to the Target, or we'll go down to the beach and then go to Target. Either way. Okay, now we're just waiting to board our actual flight to New Zealand. It's actually a really cool lounge. We have like this view of like the runways and seeing all the planes land and take off. It's really cool. But yeah, no, it's also kind of like a greenhouse in here. Like the sun is shining through. It's all windows. It's like a 360-degree view of just different parts of LA. You can see LA over there. I'm excited about this trip. It's like, but it's also like, damn, it's hot. I've also never had like a view of like a runway at an airport before like this. Before, like, like when you're in the airport, you could see like planes taking off, right? But you could see like every plane landing and every plane like leaving, and that's like a really cool thing that I've never really gotten to have before. Literally right after that last clip, I noticed that there's a magnet here for the microphone. I want to see if it works with the hoodie. It does not. Okay, we made it to LAX. We're all checked in. Bags are in, and yeah, it's about 5:30-ish or something like that. And flight doesn't leave until 8:30. So I'm gonna try and find some food in the airport. But yeah, it's been a long day. Long day. I'm really tired. But if you guys are enjoying the vlog, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. Okay, that was a 12-hour and 10-minute flight. We have a 3-hour layover. What time? It's 6:43 in New Zealand right now. We're in Auckland at the airport. Our flight to Queenstown is at 9:30. You could like get here and actively tell how much cleaner the air is. Like, America could never have air this clean, and that's unfortunate. But like, you hear that? You hear how easy that was? That was great. That was a great breath I just took. Okay, so we finally got to the hotel. In our room, I was able to shower, and I'm sure you guys like know like the worst part of the traveling part of the day is like having airport all over you. So that's what I was dealing with, but I was able to shower. I feel 10 times better. I'm gonna walk back down to town, probably shoot a little bit, and then try and find some food. Like I had a beer down in the town, and now I'm just hungry because I was able to relax a bit, and my body's like, dude, you need to eat. So that's what we're doing now. I'll be able to, once I get to the bottom of the hill, I'll be able to like get a better shot with like my actual. That was crazy. Better shot with like my camera, and you'll be able to see it better. But yeah, unfortunately, I fear it's gonna rain, but it's fine. I have a jacket in my bagoo, and we're all ready to go. So everything's chill. Did I forget to film pretty much everything on while I was walking around town? Yes. But did I get some nice B-roll on the Canon? Yes, I did. It is the second day in New Zealand. I don't even know what day it is. I think it's Sunday, but back home it's Saturday, so I'm a bit lost. But today we're going on a little boat trip kind of vibe, and then we're going to Milford Sound, and then just kind of like all over like famous natural waterways of New Zealand. So excited about that. We went to dinner last night. That was great. I didn't really vlog it because it was like a family dinner kind of thing, and I wanted to be present. But yeah, super excited for this. I'm pretty sure like a part of Milford Sound was in Lord of the Rings. So first little Lord of the Rings location, other than the mountains that are surrounding Queenstown. I think that those were used in the movies as well. Okay, I think we made it to the docks where we're gonna. I don't think the boat that we're staying on is here yet, but we're here, and this is like what it looks like. Beautiful. It's a dock, Like if you've seen one dock, you've seen a bunch, but it's like a beautiful day. It was raining when we were driving over here, but I cannot sleep in cars, so the drive over here was long. But we're doing we're doing good. We made it on the boat. It's literally a room. Sleeping on the bottom bunk. But this is great. It's like super like luxurious and nice. I'm gonna get my stuff situated and then go outside. I'm not sure if you can hear me, so I'm just gonna try and talk loudly, and I'll fix it in post. But literally on a boat. I wonder if that Lonely Island song is copyrighted. Maybe I could find it. I don't know. This is insane. I'm so close to the water. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh my god. No, I'm having a great time. This is so sick. Everything about this has been worth it. Okay. I don't know if you can hear me once again, but actually, let me know. Actually, maybe you'll hear me better when I'm not next to a giant fan. But if I'm in the front, no. But the wind's better. The wind's harder over there. I'm just gonna stand in the middle. It is beautiful out here. I swam in this water, which was crazy. Like, look at this. I was in there. Not in that spot, but I was there. But yeah, this is a great experience so far. I'm having so much fun. I'm, it's like there's no signal, so I'm not really on my phone a lot, which is ironic because I'm talking to a camera right now. But balance. It's a great time. I'm super grateful to be here. Also, someone in the comments count how many times I said like, or anything else like that. Take a shot every time I do it, and then let me know how that goes for you. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you are, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you want more. Remember that episode of How I Met Your Mother when Robin was just like, but every time I say but take a drink. I probably just blew out your fucking ears. I'm sorry about that. Okay, we successfully got off the boat. I definitely failed to record us like sailing back from like the place where the boat was anchored, but we made it to the next town. We're in Tianu, and I'm gonna see if I could find like a helicopter tour for not too much. Hopefully, it's not super expensive on the same day, but I'm gonna try it out. being in like Doubtful Sound, I was also wrong, by the way. We went to Doubtful Sound this past night, and then we're going to Milford Sound tomorrow night. So, yeah, it was gorgeous. Like, I don't think any of the videos or photos I took are really going to do it justice. You just got to go. I feel like much less weighed down by stuff right now, so I'm feeling good. I'm just going to go around, look around Tianu, find some food. I'm really hungry. So, we found a helicopter. We're going to get on it like right now. That is going to be crazy. Okay, I just wanted to talk about the helicopter thing. That was really cool. I'm not sure if I think I already filmed a clip about this, but I'm just gonna go ahead and riff off of what I'm talking about now. Um, so it was 30 minutes, and we went from literally like a helicopter pad on the water, flew over Tianu towards the mountains. I got lots of good photos of the mountains, and landed on top of a mountain up there. But like, it was like mind blowing. One, how like it was really warm down here on like sea level, and then it was like insanely cold. Like, I was wearing what I'm wearing now. I was freezing, but like, I couldn't really like. It didn't affect me. Not that I wasn't cold, but like, it was like mind blowing. It was insane how like vast everything was, and like the landscape was just insane. Yeah, I was blown away. The pilot was really cool. I was on. It was me, and then a really nice German couple who was like, this woman was like, "Aren't you cold?" I was like, "Yeah, but like, it's fine." um, but yeah, no, that was so cool and just such a fun time. And now I think we're back down in like this cool little like RV park area, and we're gonna do like a nice group dinner. And then tomorrow we're going on another boat that we're gonna spend the night on. So I'm gonna be excited to like compare how different they are from the one I was on last night. I don't know if you see them. Oh, they're going in a little bush. But yeah, no, that's the cutest thing I've ever seen. They're called Keys. Kias. Kea. I'll put a little picture of them up here. I couldn't get a good one because they're tiny and they're in the shadows, but they're so cute. Okay, so I definitely forgot to film the second boat we were on, and the pretty much all of yesterday, which on one hand sucks because I miss content, but also like it's good because I fear that this vlog is gonna be long as hell, and I didn't really want it to be. And so yeah, but today we're going on a wine tasting, and then actually I think we're wine tasting all day. Hell yeah. I forget what the winery we're going to is called, but the way I totally just spaced out. I don't know what the winery we're going to is called. I think it's like 20 minutes away from where the hotel we're at is now. I can't talk this morning apparently. It's 20 minutes away from where the hotel we are at currently. And we're back in Queenstown, so we're kind of like finishing off the trip with a long day of wine tasting, and then we're gonna go home on Saturday. Okay, so I am filming this clip in the bathroom, but we're at the last winery. I'm a little drunk. Not gonna lie, but I've been drinking wine all day, so it's a wine drunk. So it's like classy. But we're at the final place. It is so nice, and like the first dish was like grass wrapped around a stick. And it's very much giving the menu with Anya's Field of Joy, but it's so good. There was this green juice. It's great. So I'm gonna go back up now and like try and like film the menu and like get little shots of the food. But yeah. Okay, we are halfway through the like tasting menu at this dinner. Still crazy. Still blown away by this. This is not a normal dinner at all. My uncle totally surprised me with this. Not me, but like the whole group that we're with. Hopefully by now I did a voice over all the food. We still have 4 more dishes to go through. I'm getting so full. I'm like, am I gonna be able to finish? But like, no. It's actually fucking nuts how like I just had a venison that blew my fucking mind. That's deer. I've never had deer before. That's insane. we are on, it's my last day in New Zealand, flying out tomorrow, but I truly couldn't leave New Zealand without doing a Lord of the Rings tour. That's what we're doing now. What I love about this tour so far is that it's not, just about Lord of the Rings. There's also so much history being told about like New Zealand and Queenstown as just like a culture and a city. So that's cool. I also found out that there's a new Lord of the Rings movie coming out called The Hunt for Gollum, and apparently Andy Serkis and Peter Jackson and I think Viggo Mortensen is also here in New Zealand in Queenstown. So I'm gonna keep an eye out for him. And yeah. So it's really cool. Okay, so this week has been actually crazy. So much has happened, and the last day I woke up. I woke up at 8 a.m. to go on this Lord of the Rings tour, which was incredible. And I still have one more thing to do. I'm gonna go try and get a tattoo. I might not, but like, I'm just gonna go see if there's something there that I want. Just check out the vibe. So that was the fastest tattoo I've gotten in a long time. It was White Tiger Tattoo. They made it so easy for me. And it was 160 New Zealand, so $90 for like 20 minutes for a tattoo. It was great. I don't think I have anything like, quote unquote negative to say about it. Everyone was really nice. Everyone was like, welcoming, and the price was fair. So I think that was a good choice. Good last thing to do in New Zealand. Okay, so the last thing we're gonna do today is gonna go on a dinner, but I'm not gonna film that. I'm gonna end the vlog here. So if you've liked the vlog, please feel free to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. Let me know what your favorite part was. This was kind of longer than I intended, but I'm happy with how it turned out. So I think that I kind of like elevated the quality and the style of it. So let me know what you think of this one compared to my other ones, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. I'm literally going to New York in 5 days, so less than 5 days. That's crazy. But yeah, no. Bye.